moving, man, like a wisdom tooth that don't want to come out. All right, of course, I'm finding some foundation chunks. I want to pack that down up there, that mess, but if I track over here, all this 3-inch stone's going to fall in, so we're just going to leave that. It's loose now, but when we lay the line, some more concrete. Sheesh. When we lay the line, then I'll pack that down some. Hopefully the dig gets better from here, man. Oh my goodness. I should have pushed this 3-inch stone over just a little farther. See what surprise comes up here. Yeah, it's an internet line or a power line from the mobile home. I hope I'm not sitting on another concrete slab. All right, at the risk of jinxing myself, I think, fingers crossed, the worst of it is past. I'm down to pretty much clean roots on top and then clean clay underneath. Make up a little time here on the straightaway, hopefully, although I'm going to make a jog right behind us. But man, it's nice and moist here, surprisingly. We're still in the drought. Everyone's food plots are toast, and Phil started watering his 2 days ago. I wanted to water mine. My pump was down, so I had it fixed, and then I ended up having to do an excavator gig, so I have not got around to watering mine. And this project may consume much of the weekend. We figured out where we're going to put a hydrant up here. It's going to cross the driveway that way, so I'm going to have to dig that ditch extra deep because we got other utilities that are going to be buried over top of it. Butted right up against this cut when they had to excavate all this out, although soon the bucks should be showing up. So there's a look at the trench. Not too bad. Getting along, but here's the house right here. About another 12 feet to go. All right, we're up by the house now with Casey. We decided we're going to bump it out this way a little to make more room for the power line. So I'm trying to save Casey some hand digging because this is some really hard clay right now. Deeper to, you know, they backfilled this and of course it was buried, but I wanted a minimum of 24 inches. The whole ditch is probably 32 inches. We've got to tweak this up here just a little bit. I'm straddling my ditch over here, and I'm going to connect them now. And then we got to cut a hydrant over there. We're putting a hydrant for outside water down here by the house. All right, I got the ditches just about connected here. I'm looking forward to starting to backfill this thing. All right, here we are. We're finally going to start laying some pipe here. Casey brought a tracer line, which we're going to put down with the water. So that white spot is a hydrant, but I think I'm going to excavate this area out because this is all going to need some grading and that to make a lawn here for the right pitch. So we're going to run the tracer line, and then we're going to start filling down here and work our way up the hill. All right, now you can make some good progress. Boys are laying the tracer line. and away we go. All right, so now I'm digging for our hydrant. We're gonna get it as far out as we can because they got a bunch of grading to do here. So hopefully it'll be far enough out of their way. So I'll dig this trench and we'll check back in. On a horse with no name, it felt good to be out of the rain in the desert. Digging fools today. Digging fools. Bucket full of that clean 1-inch for the frost-free hydrant number 1. I'm gonna make a little crossing spot here so I can get across the ditch. Sometimes people ask why you don't just push the dirt in. It's because you want clean dirt that's touching, you know, whatever it is you're burying, whether it's water, power. Doesn't really matter. So that's why you scoop dirt in there first, and then after that, then you just push it in. That's where I got stuck here just a little while ago. Fell in the ditch. Go cherry stump, and it's big. Let's see if I could. So bad. I thought it was heavier than that. Cut up into pieces. All right, now I'm digging an extra deep trench here under our driveway, and it's going to be for another water hydrant. Which is going to be down here in case we have people with horses that rent. So we're going to put water up here while we got it here. That's the old internet line, but it's still scary when you pull a line up and you see that orange tube. But I mean, I knew it was cut already, but it still gives you a little pucker no matter what when you see a line come up out of the ground. Stump from earlier. I had to walk myself across the ditch over there, which was interesting. So now I'm trying to maximize my time and get them a little more stone at each of them hydrants. And then I'm either going to call it for today or do a little more backfilling. I'm making a crossing here again to get back to the other side. Here my audio cut out, but I'm basically trying to save Casey as much back labor as possible. So this is the water pit, you know, the city water where it comes in. So he's going to tie into that and then we're gonna test everything out, pressure test it. All right, here we are up by the front. We're getting ready to tie the water line into the main. And Casey looks like he's got that pump in down there. How do you like this ditch, huh?
Well, you know.
Foot. I wanted it to be down far enough.
Yeah, it's not freeze around here, that's for sure.
You never know. Global warming, you know, makes it colder in the winter, doesn't it?
Let's not get started on politics.
Dude, what politics?
Let's go, Brandon.
Hoorah.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna get you in here.
All right, they pressurized the system. Everything looks good, so it's time to get the driveway back so they can get out of here. And we have city water. Nice. Crystal clear, baby. Nice work, Casey.
You want a swig of it before I shut it off?
Nah, I still got some Monster and Coke yet. All right, let me get this filled in so you can get out of here. All right, here's the end of today. I'm done. I got them a path here to get in and out. And tomorrow I'm going to come back and finish backfilling. Maybe doing some grading, but the water line's in. Pressure tested. Into the house to the 2 hydrants so we can use it now. I got to call the city Monday and let them know. But that's the same meter as the mobile home, so we already have a separate account for it.